Hi, welcome to Focal Point. Today we will talk about optimizing the images the right way to make them ready for uploading on our website. The mistake that mostly people make is they download the image from a stock images website and then upload it directly to their own website without optimizing or without resizing it. What it does, it slows down the website speed and puts some extra unnecessary load on the website storage. The other thing they do is they use tools and plugins like WordPress has some plugins that optimize the images on the go when you upload it on the website, so it compress the images after you upload it to the website by making a copy of the original image and then compressing the second copy of the image, which again puts some extra unnecessary load on your storage. Sometimes these tools may also skip some images during the process, so you are not getting the actual benefit of optimizing the images or resizing them for better performance on the website. So the method that we are going to explore today will ensure that we do not have any extra copies of the image on our server, and the actual image is properly optimized for using on the website. As you can see here, we have an image which was 3.5 MB in size when it was downloaded from the stock photography website, and after optimization it is now 200 KB without compromising on the quality of the image. As you can see, this is the original image and this is the compressed one. There are two methods that we will talk about today. The first one is based on Photoshop. So if you have Photoshop installed on your PC, open the Photoshop, click on files, open the file, images that you have downloaded. I have three images in all three different dimensions. The first one is horizontal, the second is a square, and the third is vertical. So I will import all of the three images. After opening the images, we will go to files again, export, save for web. You can also press the shortcut keys Alt Shift Control and S. We'll click on this option. On this window, we will firstly change the image type. If the image is if the image has any transparency in the background, then you will need to choose the PNG 24, which is the better quality of a transparent image. But in our case, we do not have any transparency, so we will go with the JPEG format. And the quality we will keep medium, or we can say high. The most important part is the size of the image, so we will resize the image starting from the larger number of the height or width. So in this case the height is larger number, so we will set the height to 1280. The width is auto optimized according to the aspect ratio of the actual image. Now click save, and we will name it vertical audio optimized. Let's optimize the second square image as well. I will press the shortcut keys. I will keep the quality the same and just change the size. So it's a square image, so width and height are the same. I will change either value in these boxes. So I will set 1280. So width and height both become 1280. I will click save. OT. I will close the images. Let's optimize the last one as well. Alt Control Shift and S. Change the size. So in this case the width is the larger number and the height is the lower number. So we will change the larger number. So we need to change the large number to 1280 and click save. Now name it OT as well and save. Let's see the difference between the original and the optimized images. So firstly, the horizontal image. As you can see, the actual downloaded horizontal image was 32 MB in size, and the optimized image is 194 KB, and the square image was 5.4 MB and the optimized square image is 89 MB. The vertical image was 13 MB and the optimized vertical image is 287 MB. Now we will look at the second method. If you do not have Photoshop installed on your PC, what you can do is you can simply go to open the website called iloveimg.com. Firstly, click resize the image. Select the images that we want to compress or resize. I will select the same images: square, vertical and horizontal. We will do the same thing as we have done in the Photoshop. We will decrease the image size by pixels, not by the percentage. So we will keep both of the values 1280. Either if the height is large or the width is larger, it will maintain the aspect ratio if we keep this checkbox. Do not enlarge if smaller. We will keep both of the checkboxes checked and click resize. So the images are resized, but the images are not compressed at the moment. So what we will do is we will continue to the compression of the image. We will not download the images at this stage. We will move the images to compression process. Click compress images, and now we can download the images. As you can see, there is 85% change in the size. It will download all the images in a zip file, so we can extract it after the download is completed. Let me just extract the folder here. And you can see the sizes are around 200 KB. The square image is 42 KB and the vertical image is 277 KB. This is the most appropriate method to optimize the images, so it won't affect the website speed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel for more tips and tricks like this in future. Thanks for watching.